What's up, fellow brawlers? It's your host Samba, and it's time to brawl with the stars. And this time it's a video about the latest update that is coming soon. Yeah, in 9 days and 15 hours only, the latest update is coming. And according to my calendar, well, everyone's calendar actually, it should be around 13th to 14th of September. So now I'll share some of my ideas and views and what I want to come in this time of season 3 of Brawl Stars and what I expect will come. So let's get right to it. By now we all know about the 8-bit mini game that has come into the game. So it's really easy to do. You just go to your brawlers, that place, and then select 8-bit and tap on him 8 times. So then he glitches and the other screen comes out. From there, well, you can play. The first game is a space game which is named Project Laser over there, where 8-bit is kind of a hero who is in a rocket, I guess, and shoots off chickens and a kind of general dog type of thing. Then he enters to a portal and goes into somewhere where he becomes a ninja who shoots slug versions of Colt. No, I think it will start with who? Well, there was Barley, there was Colt, and there was Rosa. Yeah, it started with Rosa, then Barley, and then Colt. And then finally, after that, it jumps into 8-bit has to jump into that duo showdown fog or toxic gas, whatever, and gets into the third mode, where he also does a lot of things like shoots, and he can only jump there. Shoots versions of Gale, Brock, B, Surge, and also Max, and Leon too. Yeah. So after that, it gets into a shadow place where it can fight against a shadow of his, and after defeating it, it says that you have found the truth about yourself, and then it shows that the game continues, and as if the game continues in Brawl Stars. 8-bit's life continues in Brawl Stars. So first, from there, what we can get? From there, we could actually expect a general dog type of brawler. Yeah. And perhaps one of the chickens also. Perhaps, who knows? Maybe, or maybe not, we don't know. But there is a chance that a general Zogo type of thing might come. Might. Now, some of the recent news, instead of the older ones, which I'll be showing you pretty soon. Just a minute and I'll show it to you. So, Supercell posted this on YouTube. It was kind of a GIF, I guess you could say, about something about the next update. And so I have a few screenshots about it, so let's start. First, the first screen shows a kind of a diary. This looks like a kind of little girl's diary with, is that a perfume stand over there? Wait. I think that looks like perfume. Might be. I think it could be something related to perfume. Anyway, then something even more interesting. Seen these? Yeah, the smiley one. We know Brawl Stars is supposed to be a skull, right? A skull inside a star, perhaps. But for the first time, it's a smiley. And where else have we seen it? Well, we have seen it on those crown things around some places in Brawl Stars. The maps, I'll say. And also we saw it in the 8-bit mini game. So this could be a reference to that. Also, if you remember, the last one after Project Laser and Slugfest over there was Starcade Breakdown. So that's star with a double R and A with a star. I just realized that was also there in another place, in Retropolis. In Retropolis, a place is named Star. So, putting 2 and 2 together, there is a connection between this girl's diary, the smile, and Star Park. So, maybe we could say Star Park functions on this thing. That could be something, I guess. But moving on. We know this is a diary because of this. See that key? Yeah. That key. That proves that this should be a diary. That key is probably for opening this lock. Okay, so let's go. Next photo, please. Next we have, yeah, there. This is the second picture. So this shows that this has to be a kind of a girl's one. But this girl, I think, is from, yeah, this. She might be a fan of Brawl Stars who wants to be a brawler but couldn't be. Could be something like that in story. Look, she's even using a Spike bookmark. Look there. See it? A Spike bookmark. So this looks like Spike. And she kind of has everyone's specimens, is it? This one is labeled Colt. And he has Colt's hair. And a picture of Colt, I guess. Must be a big fan of Colt. Then what do we have? We have Piper, okay. Oh wait, we have Colt's bullets too. See it? Wait, yeah, there. See it? Those have to be Colt's bullets. I think so. Next we have Piper. What do you have for Piper? We have her hair clip, her name, and what else? This key kind of thing, which I really don't know what it might be. Could be anything. Perhaps, well, I think it might be related to, well, you know the super of Piper? When Piper does a super, it's kind of a grenade thing, right? Maybe she lifts off the top and it might be that. Well, anyway, moving on. Next, we'll see Spike. Spike has this blue kind of outline thing. I don't know how I think I'll call her she. She got it anyway. And this Spike from Spike, I guess you could call it. And the thing from a super, his or her super, or maybe normal attack also. I don't know. I just don't know what this might be. One of his normal or super attacks. I just can't remember. And she is a fan of Spike also because she's using a bookmark of Spike, as we can see. So next photo please. Let's go. Next we have, okay, and even more interesting. What do we have now? Well, we have Crow with his feather. We have Leon. See that? That's Crow's feather. We have Leon with his lollipop stick. And what is this? His chewing gum? No, wait. That can't be. Wait. That surprise will be revealed later. This is for later. No. Yeah, this is for later. Don't read it now. Let's solve one page at a time, okay? So here we can see Crow has this feather, okay? And Leon's wrapping paper of the lollipop and the lollipop stick. Okay. Next, what do you have? Finally, let's remove this. We have Tara with her. Okay, so this little girl has kept an account of Tara and a little bit of a tarot card also. So that's good. Now, finally, this belongs to BB. Why? You can read this. Little girl's handwriting. You brawl well. Nice talking to you. BB 7.9. Now what can we see over here? Let's see. Firstly, crossing this out. Look at it carefully, guys. Just look at it carefully. You can see the star on top of BB. Yeah, that's star. Can you see it? That's important too, I guess. There are stars like this practically everywhere. Here stars here, everywhere really. And then where else does she have? She has them over here. So what does that mean? This little girl who keeps a diary is BB. Of course, we found that out right now. And this chewing gum, or bubble gum, I guess you could call it. I think you'll call it bubble gum. This bubble gum belongs to BB. She, well, kind of wicked and mischievous like that, but anyway. She stuck her bubble gum on this page as signature. So this proves that this is BB and this is BB's diary. Who knew BB could be so cute? Anyway, so I think this proves a lot of things about Brawl Stars. One could be that she actually wanted to be a brawler earlier, but she wasn't allowed and finally she became one. This could be one, I guess. And maybe Crow is her elder brother, and Crow just wears a kind of a different kind of dress because he works in the theme park of Brawl Stars. Yeah, that could be a possibility too. And now, the most important part of all, this date. What is it? It's 7/9. 7/9 is the 7th of September, which would be on Monday. Yeah. So, we can guarantee from this that on the 7th of September, which is Monday, the next Brawl Talk is arriving. Woohoo. So guys, I can pretty much assure you now, yeah, this is a bold prediction from Samba and it's totally authorized, official, significant and whatever good things you can say, that the next Brawl Talk is coming on 7th September 2020, which is on Monday. Okay, that's good. We might get some news about the next one. Now, this star shapes prove that BB has got a lot to do with that Starcade thing. There's a star named place in Retropolis. Then this star, ST, A for a star. A was shaped as a star and double R. Starcade breakdown in that 8-bit minigame. And here she sticks so many stars. Let's see. What else was there? Yeah. Here also we can see enough stars. Here too, well, it's totally littered with stars actually. So many stars. Oh, and this is the final picture which I wanted to show you. This might be the next logo for Brawl Stars. See that? Look at it. The new logo for Brawl Stars might be this, with a smile inside instead. Now I don't know how much you all will like it though, because I kind of like the skull. I kind of got used to it. But with a smiley, I don't know what might happen. Also, well, moving on to something better, okay? Let's go. So now, moving on about it, as I said, there might be many things. There might be many things related to this, okay? So, we can see now that maybe the smiley shows that, well, now we can kind of see that BB is kind of ticked off always. Kind of cruel and not with a smile really. Don't really see a smile on her face. No, you don't. You don't, but what you can see is a kind of a sullen or dull, not dull, but you can pretty much say that she's kind of naughty little girl, I guess. You could say that. So maybe this might be, the next season might be about BB's past. Like perhaps named Bubblegum Trouble, perhaps, like that. And we might get introduced to some of BB's old friends. Perhaps who are not shown yet, but they might be her friends. That might come, I'm telling you. And this smile refers to BB's earlier smile. Alright? I just think so. I'm not sure yet. Oh, and of course, it's just a theory. But it might be true. Who knows? You never know which theory will be true and which will not, of course. So yeah, that's it about that. But what else can we say? That was really interesting, right? I mean, I really didn't expect actually something about that. And I really never expected BB to keep a diary like that. That's the funniest part actually. I mean, we all know how BB is, right? She keeping a diary is kind of incredulous. And I really don't expect it to happen. That's why I was kind of so surprised on that. Really. It really surprised me anyway. So yeah, that's what I had to say really about it. Oh, and you can, well, I did mention I guess about the theme park. To get to know more about the theme park, you might see a video by Kyrostine. Yeah, he's another really good brawler. He does awesome videos, of course. You can see another video by him about the Brawl Stars theme park theory. So yeah, that's pretty much it for today. So make sure you subscribe for more awesome videos like this. And stay waiting for the update to come, okay? Also, you can comment down for what more videos you want, and if you really did like the video, I don't know, but you might. If you did really like the video, then please be sure to like and share it with your friends so that they can also get a piece of news about Brawl Stars. So that's it. Bye bye. Signing off.
Music.